one of them. The other one developed a bit of a headache and became uncomfortable. There he is. Oh no, he's coming over here. There he is. So we ended up rushing back to get him out of the airplane, but he seems to have recovered and feeling slightly better. So we'll have to figure out what's causing him those headaches, because it's not the first time he has had trouble on a flight, and we weren't up more than half an hour. Anywho, so that will be, I guess, my little video number 2 with the Cessna, and we shall go from there. And maybe next time actually we'll have a better camera than just my phone. Anyways, talk to you guys later.
Bye.